Hi, this is Sho.
And this is Linnea. Welcome back to our channel. On this channel, we're teaching easy English phrases for you to learn, so if you're interested in that, make sure to keep watching.
Okay, so today's phrase is this one.
It is... Let that adjust. Can I share my hobbies with you? So what is that in Japanese?
私の趣味を聞いていただけますか?
So you can say this if maybe you're talking with a friend or something and you want to kind of like share your hobbies or like what you're interested in, then you can say, can I share my hobbies with you, essentially.
Yep. So this kind of can I share?
Yeah.
Just mean I feel like a kind of different meaning. Share means.
Does it?
Yeah, I'm gonna give like half of my hobby and you can
that's
maintain
true.
half of your hobby, but it's not meaning.
No, it's not, yeah. Share also just means like to share information, kind of.
Okay.
Yeah.
So literally meaning, can I tell you about my hobby?
Yeah, I mean, the meaning of it like depends on the context. Like you said, if you say like, I'll share half of my bread with you or something, like that means I'm sharing like the thing with you.
Yeah.
But if you're saying like, can I share my hobbies, that means like you're telling someone about it. So it's a little bit different, I guess.
Yes.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay, so you have a hobby?
I have a lot of hobbies.
Yes, too many.
I have too many hobbies.
Yes. What's that? Of course, manga and game.
Yeah, and anime.
Nana. Animal.
Is she a hobby?
Not really. She's a family.
She's an animal I love. Yeah, she's a family member.
Yes. But kind of your hobby is becoming your job.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yes, like a daily stuff. It's like actually best stuff, isn't it? You can do
I think so.
Like your hobby every day, and people like your hobby.
Yeah.
And you can make money. It's great.
That's true. What about you? What's your hobby?
Me too. My hobby is play guitar. That's kind of my business.
Yeah, that's true.
And maybe go to the nature. I like nature.
Yeah, nature's nice.
Yes.
Like hiking and stuff.
Yes.
Traveling too, right? It's not really a hobby though, is it?
What do you mean? But I mean, that's all I want to. I mean, my hobby means become high tension. Give me like a big tension.
Yeah, I guess so.
That's how kind of music.
Yeah.
And animal. And nature. If I go to nature, and I feel very good.
That's true.
Yes. But I feel like American people are very good to have a hobbies. Sometimes people say that Japanese people work too much and there's no time.
I see.
To the hobby, so after retired and they have no idea what I should do and they're gonna die, unfortunately. Yeah, what do you think? Is American people all the time have good hobbies?
Yeah, I would say so. Like, if you're meeting someone, usually you'll ask them like, oh, what do you like to do?
Yeah.
Like, you always ask them that. So if I meet someone, they don't have a hobby, it feels a little bit strange. I'm like, I don't really know what to talk to them about. Because like, if someone has a hobby, you can kind of have a conversation based off that, or like, oh, tell me about it or whatever. Like, that's a very easy thing to talk about with someone you're first meeting.
Yeah.
But like, if it's if you ask someone, oh, what hobbies do you have? And they're like, I don't have any hobbies. I'd be like, okay. I don't know what to talk to you about,
That's a big difference. And in Japan, I feel like people and work, what's that for? Because work, But American people more, they have really, they want to do. That's why they need money, that's why work. So main things what they have hobby or something important, and that's why work. It's a big difference. Yeah, cause
I guess so. Yeah.
I think still Japanese people like a long time working for a day. So I don't know why. Yeah.
It's interesting though, because all of my hobbies based around like Japanese culture and Japanese produced like art and media. So I'm like consuming that culture in some way.
Okay.
It's interesting.
Yeah, that's big difference.
Yeah.
But definitely it's best things you have a hobby. Yeah, I've read a book and in deathbed. Deathbed?
Wait, that's the name of the book, or?
No, I mean...
You're just talking about the deathbed?
Yeah,
okay.
when they're almost dying. So people always regret what they didn't do that. when they're healthy.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So of course, and statistically said, and everyone's thinking I should have to do everything what I wanted. I was too busy. Maybe they didn't have enough time, and of course, they should have more travel. Of course.
Is that what most people say?
Yeah, travel and things to do more. And one of them, I should have more hobby, some skill, special skill, better than others.
Right.
Yes, that's one of the things. So
Yeah.
it's the best things to get some skill. And of course, she's teaching and anime, manga.
Yeah, I teach manga art.
Yes, I teach guitar too. So if you need something, let us know.
Yeah, I guess if you have some kind of skill like that, you can at least teach others, so you can make money from it in some way, right?
Yes, so it's good feeling, what I want to, and then people ask me to teach me, and like we can teach, so win-win,
Though personally, I like taking commissions more.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I guess both are fun, but I like actually like drawing art and stuff, So yeah, for me that's fun. That's like what I used to always just do when I was a kid. Just painting stuff. Now I can like people pay me to do that, so I much prefer that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Yay!
Yes.
I'm doing my best.
Okay, so I'm gonna repeat the
Yes.
phrase.
Yeah, I'll say it slowly first and we'll get a little bit faster each time we go along. Can I share my hobbies with you? Alright, a little bit faster. Can I share my hobbies with you? Alright, one more time at normal speed. Can I share my hobbies with you? And that's it.
Yep, sounds good.
How'd you do? Did you do okay? So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. And if you're interested in seeing more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any suggestions for one of our future videos, feel free to also leave that in the comments below.
質問とありましたらお答えします。チャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。
Thank you. See you next time.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.